Hello, friends. I'm Karthik Wagela from Anand Rathi, and we are back with another weekly podcast episode with Nilesh Jain, derivatives and technical analyst at Anand Rathi. Thank you, Nilesh, for joining in our podcast series to share your market outlook for the week. Hi, Nilesh. Welcome to another podcast. How are the market looking on charts, and what are the momentum indicators indicating?
Hi Karthik. So the market's break is 2 week winning streak where the Nifty index formed a small bearish candle on the weekly scale. It also negated the formation of higher highs and higher lows and broke its 13-day winning streak. Although some recovery was seen on Friday, due to which the Nifty index reclaimed 11,700 levels on the closing basis, which is a slight positive sign. The Nifty index also formed a bullish Harami candlestick pattern on the daily chart, which is considered as a bullish reversal pattern. So as long as the Nifty index trade above 11,650 levels, we can expect a continuation of a pullback towards 11,900 to 12,000 levels. On the contrary, if Nifty slips below 11,650 levels, then further selling pressure towards 11,050 to 11,500 that cannot be ruled out. Technically, the overall structure is hinting at a broader consolidation in the range of 11,650 to 12,000. The momentum indicators and oscillators are very much in the buy mode on the daily as well as weekly scale, which indicates that the short term trends continue to remain positive. Now, if you look at the volatility index India weeks, which surged 5% to end near 21.5 levels, but it is still very much in the comfort zone for the bulls. Major resistance for the India weeks is still placed at 24-25 zone. Only a move beyond those levels would be a cause of concern. On the other hand, if you look at now the structure for the bank nifty, it traded in line with the nifty index and formed a small bearish candle on the weekly scale. It faced stiff resistance around 24,000 levels throughout the week and witnessed a huge amount of profit booking from the higher levels. On the contrary, if you look at the bank nifty has found support near 23,000 levels and witnessed a strong pullback on Friday. It also formed a similar inside bar chart pattern on the daily chart compared to the Nifty index, which indicates a trend reversal. Now, a decisive move beyond 24,000 levels will provide further momentum towards 24,500 to 24,700 on the back of short covering move. The major support is now placed at 23,000 levels. Overall, we can expect Bank Nifty to oscillate in a broader range of 23,000 to 24,100 in the coming week.
Can you share your few observations about Nifty open interest levels for coming week?
Well, on the derivative front, we have seen a fresh put writing at 11,600 and 11,700 strike on Friday, where the second highest open interest is placed at 11,700, which is likely to act as an immediate support in the coming week, followed by 11,600. If you look at the maximum open interest on the put side, which is still placed at 11,000 strike, so we might see shifting of open interest from 11,000 to 11,600 and 700 strike in the coming week. On the call side, a fresh call writing was seen at 11,800, 900 and 12,000 strike, where the maximum open interest is placed at 12,000 strike of more than 30 lakh contract. So in the coming week, if Nifty sustains above 11,800, then we can expect some short covering rally towards 11,900 and 12,000 levels. So the overall option data indicates a broader range of 11,600 to 12,000 for the coming week.
Since markets are volatile, what kind of strategy would you recommend to trade in the index?
So looking at the volatility in the index, it is not advisable to trade in the futures. Rather, one can deploy option strategies. So based on the data for the Nifty index, we are expecting a moderate up move in the coming week, where the upside seems to be limited to 12,000 levels, because if you look at the derivative setup for the Nifty index for the weekly as well as monthly expiry, the 12,000 strike holds the maximum open interest. That shows that it would be very difficult for the Nifty to surpass the same in the coming week. So we are advising to initiate a bull call ladder spread where one can buy one lot of 11,800 strike at 88 simultaneously, sell one lot of 11,900 strike at 48.5 and one lot of 12,000 strike at 24.5. So the overall outflow from this strategy would be only 15 point as per the closing price on Friday. the maximum loss would be unlimited. If Nifty expires above 12,085, the maximum profit of 85 points could be gained if Nifty expires in the range of 11,900 to 12,000. That is what we are expecting in the coming week. The lower break-even levels comes at 11,815, whereas the higher break-even is at 12,085. So since the strategy is initiated with the outflow of 15 points, so the downside risk is limited to only 15 points if Nifty expires at or below 11,815 levels. If it remains in the range of 11,900 to 12,000, that is the maximum profit range, and that is exactly what we are expecting for the coming week. Thank you.
Thank you, Nilesh, for sharing your valuable inputs with us. I am sure our listeners have gained great insights from you.